What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning Playdate. And I love this song. I heard it on Star Wars TikTok. I don't have TikTok, but a friend sent it to me and I thought it was like such a good song. So really quick song, so let's get right into it. All right, okay guys, so now we're here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be grabbing our capo and putting it on the 6th fret. Okay, so after we're done putting that there, we're going to be, it's easiest with the pick. So I'm using my pick, and we're going to be putting our first index finger on the first string, our second finger, our middle finger, on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and we're going to be using our 3rd finger on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. So it's going to look like that, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go strum. And the strumming pattern for this is 1, 1, 2. So it's like, just like that. Alright, super easy, and it's the whole pattern is like that throughout the whole song, so it's just like that, okay? So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to move into a G, so, alright, and then from there, go to an E major, then an A major, just like that. So with that whole first part of the song, it's going to sound like this. So you already hear the sound of the song. And literally the second part of this is exactly the same as the first part, pretty much. So, you start off how we started for the first part of the song. G. And then E. And then instead of the A major, we're going to a C. Alright? Alright, so the whole song is exactly like that. That's the whole entire song. Super simple. Alright, so now let's play it super slowly, okay? So let's do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's a little bit faster. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole song. So, you know what? If you guys have any song requests, I'll definitely look into those, and let's produce another song. So let's head into the outro. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, super simple song, and I hope you found this video very helpful. Like I said, give me some song requests. I'll definitely look into those, and I'll try to produce a tutorial for that. Alright, so you know what, thanks again for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, turn on those post notifications, and drop a like if you thought this video was helpful. Alright, super fast, super simple, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.